If your notes feel like a junk drawer, Notion can fix it. If your notes feel like a maze, Evernote can fix it. The difference is how you work. Not which app is better, but here's what nobody tells you. Most people pick based on hype, not their actual workflow. And that mismatch is costing you hours every single week. Today, we're breaking down exactly which app matches your brain, because productivity isn't about the shiniest tool, it's about the right tool. Welcome back to Next Gen Digital. I'm Anshul Kumar. Today we're comparing Notion and Evernote across 4 key areas: note-taking, organization, AI features, and pricing. Both have free versions, so let's see which one fits your workflow. Let's dive in. First, understand the core difference. Evernote is built for capture and search. You dump information in, tag it, find it instantly. Think digital filing cabinet. Watch this. Open Evernote, type, done. No setup required. The web clipper is still best in class. Save any article with one click. Rich formatting, bold, highlight, checklists, all without getting in your way. Notion is completely different. It's built for structure and flexibility. Everything is blocks, text, images, databases. You can rearrange them however you want. But here's where Notion shines: databases with multiple views. Create a task list, then view it as a table, Kanban board, or calendar. Same data, different perspectives. Verdict: quick capture and simple notes. Evernote wins. Structured workflows with custom views. Notion dominates. Let's talk about finding your information. Evernote's superpower is search. It searches inside PDFs, images with OCR, even handwritten notes. Watch this. I'm searching for text that's inside a PDF I saved months ago. Organization is simple: notebooks and tags. Traditional, but it works. Notion's search is basic, but it has something Evernote doesn't: dynamic filters and custom views. Watch this. I'm creating a filtered view showing only high-priority tasks that are in progress, and I can save multiple custom views. One for high priority, one for this week, one for each client. Your dashboard updates automatically. Verdict: finding old information. Evernote search destroys Notion. Dynamic organization of current work. Notion wins. Now, the big difference in 2026: AI features. Evernote AI is straightforward. Summarize notes, extract action items, clean formatting. It's AI as an assistant for what you've already captured. Notion AI is completely different. Notion agents, released late 2025, can build things. Watch this. I'm asking the AI to create a project tracker with tasks and deadlines, and it's building the entire database structure automatically. Notion also added AI meeting notes with transcription and Gmail integration where AI summarizes your emails. This is automation, not just enhancement. For teams, Notion has real-time collaboration. Multiple people editing simultaneously, comments, mentions, granular permissions. Evernote has basic sharing. Let's talk money. Evernote's free plan is basically a demo: 50 notes and 1 device. Starter and Advanced jump hard in price, and Advanced is the no limits plan. Notion's free plan is generous for individuals, but teams hit limits, and file uploads are capped unless you pay. The practical takeaway: Evernote charges for search plus capture at scale. Notion charges for collaboration plus building systems. Notion free, unlimited pages, unlimited blocks, basic collaboration. This is genuinely usable for real work. Notion pricing on their official page: plus 10-seat month, business 20-seat month. Notion also states Notion AI is included in business and enterprise. Other plans get limited trial usage. Notion pricing graphic 20 seconds. Verdict: Notion offers dramatically more value in the free tier. So which should you choose? Choose Evernote if you want simple, frictionless note capture. You need powerful search across years of content. You heavily use web clipping for research. You prefer proven tools without complexity. You work solo. Watch these Evernote strengths in action. Choose Notion if you want to build custom workflows and systems. You're excited by AI agents and automation. You work with a team and need collaboration. You enjoy customization and flexibility. You want a genuinely good free tier. Here's Notion in action. Here's the secret. Many people use both. Evernote for quick capture, Notion for structured work. Bottom line, Evernote, simple, fast, powerful search. Best for personal note capture, Notion. Flexible, AI-powered, team-ready. Best for building custom systems. My recommendation, try both free versions for 1 week. Use them with your real work. You'll know immediately which fits better. Links in the description. Let me know in the comments. Which one do you prefer? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for productivity tool comparisons every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a productive week.